Want to create an opening like this? Let's get started. First, import your footage in a black background into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your video has audio. Place the black background above the footage as an overlay. Select the black background, then go to Mask and choose Circle. Adjust it based on the example and position it at the bottom. Then duplicate it and move the second circle to the top. Next, duplicate the main clip and place it on the top layer. Add a film strip mask. Set the rotation to -60 degrees and adjust the size based on your preference. Then change the scale to 110%. Now add 2 keyframes. On the second keyframe, move the mask to the right until it exits the frame. On the first keyframe, move the mask to the left. After that, duplicate the clip and replace it with a black background to create a shadow effect. Add a black and white filter to the top clip. Then add feather to the black clip to make the effect more visually appealing. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your opening animation is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.